As visitors settle into their tents and luxury domes at the Mahakumbh that will be held on sprawling 10,000 acres along the Ganga at Prayagraj, authorities are bracing themselves for a huge challenge: the management and treatment of waste generated each day during the 45-day religious event. The Mahakumbh, held every 12 years, starts on January 13 and ends on February 26th. One of the biggest such religious congregations in the country. Nearly 40 crore visitors are expected to be at the Mela this year, besides the 50 lakh pilgrims and sadhus who plan to stay in camps for the entire duration. During the last Mahakumbh, which took place 12 years ago in 2013 during the Akhilesh Yadav-led Uttar Pradesh government, around 12 crore pilgrims had visited the Mela. A gathering this size means authorities will have to find ways to tackle waste generated each day. Sources said authorities are using technology developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Center and the Indian Space Research Organization to deal with human waste, especially fecal and grey wastewater generated from cooking, washing and bathing. Of the 7,000 crore rupees being spent by the Yogi Adityanath-led government on the Kumbh Mela this year, of the 1,600 crore rupees, 316 crore will be spent on making the Mela area ODF, which includes installation of toilets and urinals and their monitoring. On major Baad days like January 29, Mauni Amavasya, officials estimate a footfall of 50 lakh visitors. The authorities say these visitors are expected to generate nearly 16 million litres of fecal sludge and about 240 million litres of grey water per day. To ensure that the grand event is managed well, the state government had in December 2024 notified the Mela areas as Uttar Pradesh's 76th district for 4 months. The Mela ground has been divided into 25 sectors, each of which will function like a city ward with its own water supply, drainage system and waste management infrastructure. The officials said various measures have been put in place to make this year's Kumbh the biggest ODF religious gathering. These measures include the installation of 1.45 lakh toilets, establishment of prefabricated fecal sludge treatment plants to handle the waste and sludge collected in makeshift septic tanks of toilets, setting up of 200-kilometer temporary drainage system to channel all grey water to treatment facilities, and temporary and permanent sewage pipelines, creation of water treatment ponds, deployment of sludge carrying vehicles and the use other state-of-art technology. On treatment of waste, officials said experiments are on with various technologies like the hybrid granular sequencing batch reactor, which has been developed in partnership with BARC and ISRO, and a geotube technology. While HGSBR technology will be used to treat sewage at 3 FSTPs that are prefabricated among the 5, the grey water collected in nearly 75 large ponds, at least 2 in each sector, will be handled using the bioremediation technique. On the state government's zero-tolerance approach to open defecation, Amrit Abhijat, Principal Secretary Urban Development, said of the 1.45 lakh toilets being set up for the Mahakumbh, 15,000 are fiber-reinforced polymer with septic tanks, while 10,000 other FRPs have soak pits. Besides various measures by the authorities to keep the Mela ground clean, the National Green Tribunal too is keeping a close eye on the cleanliness of the Ganga since pilgrims will take dips in the river. Principal Secretary Abhijat said, and I quote, "The Mahakumbh will be an example to follow at large-scale religious gatherings all over the world."